Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Rifle is Beautiful episode 12. I'm X Creek and that's Hells.
No,
Last episode at last. Like, how long was it? 2 weeks,
a
I
while.
think?
I still don't
Three
know how
weeks?
they're gonna finish this in one episode though, but we'll find out. I guess.
Well, yeah, I guess we'll see now. All right, let's just begin. In three, two, one, go. Finals are beginning.
Oh god, is it gonna end as the final is starting?
No, I don't think so. What? Uh, hmm?
We just forgot. Yes,
Wow.
that was slightly worse actually.
Yeah, that's just cruel. Huh. Okay. Wait, what? They compete until they get eliminated, so they have to do those like how many shots? 60 shots again and again until it's last person with
Yeah,
the
actually,
highest
how
score.
come she's the one who knows the rules?
Also, yeah. You would expect someone else would explain, not her.
Yeah, anyone but her. Yeah,
Hmm. Hmm. Um. Hmm. I thought they were going to do like the usual ending for some slice of life show where
yeah.
they end with the ending credits, but they use this song, the opening song.
Oh, isn't that just most series?
Yeah, yeah, right. Like quite
They
a lot
just
of
skip the opening
series.
song,
Yeah, they don't use the opening. They use the opening for as the ending of the last episode
or like
while
the
the credit is
climax.
playing. Yeah, yeah. Because you can totally imagine an ending scene with this song. It fits so like it fits so perfectly.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. Um. Okay.
It was.
Okay, sure, I guess. Like, wait, she's a new character, right?
I
Have we
assume
seen?
so, yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, she's surprisingly kind of shy after what she just said. Mm. Why? Why though?
Guess that's just her character, I guess.
Why would you ask that? Oh, I'm guessing this is also new, right?
I think so.
Yeah, yeah. Like, what a way to introduce characters. This is the last episode.
Because we haven't got enough episodes, I guess.
Hmm.
Wow.
Really
To be
lonely.
the
Oh
only person.
no. What? What?
I think that's her accent because she's from.
Yeah, probably
Um,
from Akita. Yeah.
like,
Okay, there you go. She got some friends. Well, a friend.
you mean not popular in most places?
Well, I mean, some places have more people than others. I'm included. I'm there. What?
Well,
I just want to watch. Oh, oh, okay. Desperate.
I'm still not sure why they used that thing.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
What was the score? Show us the score.
Well, not yet, I guess.
Correct.
Oh, sure, I guess.
Okay.
Ooh. What do you mean stick chicken?
Beef tendon
It's
curry.
oh, oh yeah, it's fine to eat different level of spiciness. It's fine. Who cares what other people eat? Why are you so sure? All right.
You know, Japanese spicy is very different from Indonesian spicy. So,
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely.
especially if it was like Western people spicy, it's just very different entirely.
Hmm. That looks so weird.
Looks so
Yeah,
creepy.
it's weird and cute. Sure. I'm guessing she's wearing that as a replacement for her like glasses, maybe?
Sure, but why can't you just wear your glasses instead?
I don't know. Maybe it's I don't know. Well, yeah, I wanted to say that oh maybe it's more comfortable to wear that, but glasses are designed to be should it should be comfortable to wear every time, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. I don't know.
So this is how they're doing the entire finals in one episode. It's just
Hmm.
fast forward and
Just fast forwarded. What?
she's just a tsundere. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Okay. Why, why would you say this? At least, okay, okay. I thought they were saying it, and Erika can hear them. I guess not.
They not yet.
Okay. Oh, they're not competing today, huh? Okay, that's good. What's with the what's with the shirt? What the
Maybe
heck
it's
is
her
that?
comfort shirt.
Oh, it's like her favorite band or something? Oh, oh, you
I don't
wanted
think anyone
response, huh?
wanted to.
Oh, no one knows about the band.
You sure it's not just because your shirt is extra creepy?
Hmm? Oh, oof. Well, at least she will still go to the finals, right?
Yeah, but
She's
it was more on
staying.
the when you're unsure when you can go in or not. Because
Yeah,
she's
that's
now on
true, I
eighth.
guess.
After
Yeah,
these
yeah,
guys
yeah.
shoot, then she might
Yeah,
get kicked
yeah.
out if anyone
If someone
touches.
suddenly got a better score than her, she's
Yeah.
out, I guess, yeah.
And considering we have a few more main characters in this round, so
Hmm.
like she's 615. So you didn't get here just because you're the only person. You're actually pretty okay.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna say this right now, right? Because I don't want this to be the punchline later, but she's not gonna want to go to the toilet in the middle of the shooting because of the curry, right?
I hope not.
If that was the punchline, this would be 110.
Nah, I don't think so. It's fine. Spend your time however you like.
What?
Oh, she only got that much? Wow.
Unfounded. Well,
Wow.
maybe she used up all her luck before.
I guess, yeah. Well, she must be a bit disappointed. Look at that. She turned chibi because of it.
She turned
That's
out of
adorable.
dimension.
I want a keychain of this. I don't feel so good, Mr. Stark.
Well,
Well, it's look at it this way. You got to the I don't know, it's not the finals. What she she got past the prelimin- preliminaries. Oh my god. Right? I
words
guess.
are hard, yes.
Yeah, she got past the prelims. Blah, blah, blah. Well, it's usually either you hit or miss in rifle shooting. I don't know what the third option is. You bash someone's head.
There was no one else in the competition, was apparently the third option.
It's fine. Heck, she didn't get through the whatever it was before the fight before this.
Right. Now that you mention it, yeah.
Yeah. Regionals? Whatever it was.
Yeah, I think it was regionals.
I want to watch, but oh,
What was that? What does the 250 mean?
she's like the number one, right?
I guess.
Yeah. Well, it's fine, right? It's already over. Oh,
I
yes,
wish
she
I
didn't
could
get
watch.
to. Wow, so basically, Hikari cried for like 45 minutes then. Oh, she was in seventh?
10th? What?
Wait, what? How? How?
She didn't make it either, apparently. Well, that was a bit sad.
What? I guess she got tired or something. Fourth. Okay, so who's number one? Is it Maho? I guess. Yep, there you go. She is. Wait, they don't have air conditioning inside the building?
I assume they do. They have to keep all the equipment in this controlled condition, etc. So I assume they do.
Hmm. It's fine. Yeah, she didn't even get in, right? Or did she?
I don't think so. I didn't know you guys were a Yuri couple.
Hmm. Are you sure she's not lost?
Is that the pond or the river? Is she
Some
actually
kind of
lost?
river, yeah. I don't think she's lost, maybe. Oh, they're using the ending song for this. I guess since they lost, right? If they
I
won,
mean,
they would have
wouldn't
used the
win
opening.
one. Was that the
Is
was
that the
that the
lady who
lady?
sells the clothes?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, what did she get, Tai?
Oh, Tai
Wait,
got to the
she got to the
finals.
finals? Wow.
Wait, wait. Gachan is less than 615. Wow.
Wow. Okay. That's just her signature move, huh? To remove her jacket.
Because she wants to show off her abs.
Yeah, yeah. She only wear the jacket so she can remove it. Basically. And
That was nice, I guess.
I guess it's kind of nice. It's fine. Well, yeah, there you go. I guess it's
I don't know what I expected out of this last episode. I guess the
mm,
finals to finish, and it actually did, but not
yeah.
like this.
They did finish the finals. Yeah.
It was very much just yes. So these guys were in round one, these guys were in round two, and then yeah, was that everything? I think that's everything. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Basically, yeah. Well, all right then. It's an all right ending. It's for an all right show, I guess. At the
It,
very least, maybe some people might be interested in like looking up the rifle shooting stuff and maybe interested in like trying it out or whatever. I don't know. Like
If
shows
anything,
like this is like very like usually kind of useful to like at least spread awareness about something, right?
spread awareness of its existence. Yeah.
Yeah. At least, hey, there's a sport that involves shooting rifles.
Well,
Maybe
not real
someone might
rifle.
be, well, yeah, not real rifles, but maybe
But yeah,
someone might be interested. Yeah.
to be fair, this one I thought was just going to be one of those. Ah, yes, it's a show about a club, and it doesn't really do anything.
Oh, and then they,
Like
yeah. That's
like
true, I
Sela no
guess.
Maho, they tried to do in something, but it never really got like super big, or K-On, I guess. But this one actually made it somewhere, and they tried to make it feel like a sports
Oh,
anime.
wait. By K-On, you meant like the plot, right?
Well,
The,
yeah, the
because
plot of
because
K-On was
K-On was
mostly just
big.
them. No, I mean the plot. Like
Yeah.
they
Well,
didn't really do anything until
that's
like
true.
much much
Yeah.
much much later.
Yeah.
Like I think the entire first season was just them eating cakes, and then sometimes they played music.
Sometimes they sing and play music. You also mentioned Stella juga Queen, Sikyubu, right?
No, Stella no Maho. It's that
Oh, Stella.
club where
Oh,
they
yeah.
make games. Did you already forget about it?
Oh yeah, they make games. Yeah. I remember. Yeah, I
Like
remember.
that one was also kind of cute-ish. I
Yeah,
thought
that's
it had
true.
similar
But
vibes, but
they
yeah,
did make something though.
they did. But like it never amounted to like super huge until like the
Well,
whole
yeah, like
nationals heard about it or something, right?
yeah, well, yeah, that's true. Their target is only like to make some games for like a convention, like one fest, right, or
Yeah,
something.
which is a fine goal.
Wait,
It was
that's not one
very.
fest. What event was it?
It's something like
Like Comic Cat or something, right, or whatever.
it was a more what's the word,
Mhm.
realistic goal.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so I feel like that was okay, and they
That's
actually
true.
did it if I remember correctly. So yeah,
hmm
it just has
Well,
similar
yeah, in
vibes,
this
and that's it.
one, it's more of a sports show, right?
Didn't feel like it at the start,
Yeah,
but when they
it
started
doesn't
going to the
feel
competitions,
like
it
it.
does feel like the
Yeah.
sports anime. And
That's true. That's true. Like the first few episodes, you would think it's just a club, and they're going to show us some details about the rifle shooting. But
exactly.
apparently, suddenly, oh nope, tournament time. I guess that's fine. I guess it's fine. Yeah. All right then. Um, that was Rifle is Beautiful, episode 12. Thank you for watching, and see you all in another series. Bye.